How to convert image to PDF. Hey guys, welcome to a quick tutorial in which I'm gonna show you how you can convert any image to a PDF file. So let's get into it. It's very easy to do. First of all, what you're gonna do is you're gonna simply open up your Apple Store or your Google Play Store and you can search for image to PDF. You simply search for this and you will get a bunch of different apps that allow you to convert images into applications. All you need to do is simply download the app and you can use it. Well, there is another way that you can do this very easily. Simply go to Google and search for image to PDF. Now, this is an online way where you don't even have to download an application and you can convert an image to PDF within minutes. So let's do that. I'm going to simply just open up the first link, which is convert any file to PDF. Perfect. And now what I will be doing, I will be selecting an image. So let me do that. So I have selected an image that I want to convert to PDF. Now you can see at the bottom, I have the option of convert to PDF. Now it says converting. And there you go. Within seconds, I have my PDF file. And not only that, I can now do a lot with it. And this is the PDF file you can see. This is the PDF of the image. I can also compress, I can merge, split, add watermark if I want to. I can rotate, I can protect. This one right here is called I Heart PDF, which is pretty good. So now I'm going to simply click on download PDF. And there you go. It will be downloaded to my mobile phone. You can also do this on your laptop or PC very easily and convert any image to a PDF file. I hope this video was a big help to you. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.